guys, Roddy back again with The Vault, and today I've got an extremely cool, great looking, nostalgic muscle car. It's a 1970 Dodge Charger. This one packing a massive 426 Hemi in it. Now, this motor has been fully built. The list is a laundry list of things that have been done to it. Custom interior, you've got custom Foose wheels on here. Front to back, top to bottom, completely restored and upgraded suspension, upgraded Wilwood brakes, you name it. Everything was thrown at this car so that it could be one of the baddest dudes on the block. Of course, nothing screams Mopar muscle like the 70 Charger. You've got pop-up headlights. You've got black with the cool dark gray rally stripes. And on top of that, look at this thing. It's gorgeous black paint. It's gorgeous black interior, pistol grip shifter, custom gauges. Everything has been done to this to make sure that it is one of the best Chargers, one of the best muscle cars that money can buy when you're rolling down the street. This thing fires right up. Drives just fine, and those brakes make sure that you can stop all this massive power. You want to know more about our 1970 Dodge Charger or any of the vehicles we have here at The Vault, go to thevaultms.com or give us a call at 601-665-4027. We hope to hear from you soon.
Remember to like, subscribe, and share on all our social media platforms and on YouTube. Once you've subscribed, be sure and click the bell.